palette, the New York palette. And just take a look at that cover. It is so beautiful. It reminds you of New York City lights at night. Believe me, I'm from New York, and trust me, the lights are always on here. Go downtown to the city, it's over. The lights is gonna be on all night, all types of nights. So this is the inside of the palette, and these are the colors. So the two colors that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be representing where I'm from. I'm going to be using Bronx and Butter. I am going to tell a little backstory about why I'm doing this look. I am from the Bronx, I'm from New York, so I decided that I'm going to do a look representing where I'm from because Aboogie came out with a new song and it's lit because like he the king of the city. So I'm going to get right into this look for you guys.
Yeah. That's New York code if you don't know. But anyway, starting out with my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm blending that out. So I'm taking my purple and I'm applying that to my outer lid and into half of my crease. And I'm blending, blend. So now I'm cutting the crease, halfway cutting the crease, and it gives it a pretty shape. Like I like the way the shape looks when I cut the crease this way. And I'm applying that yellow Butter because if you know the Tims, the yellow kind of ones, they're not even yellow, but they like chestnut. They the butters. We call those the butters. So if you got yourself some fresh butters on, we already know where butters originated at. So I'm gonna blend that purple into the yellow. I'm gonna blend Bronx into Butter and make sure everything is flawless. So I'm applying my lashes after applying my e.l.f. liquid liner. I did my liner off camera. Did my liner halfway on my eye. So now I'm adding my lashes. These fluffy lashes are perfect for this look. It makes the look kind of pop. And these lashes are from Luxe Pink Lashes. I got the 7 tray set. So I'm doing my lower lash line. Of course, purple on the outer and then yellow in the inner. And mascara to finish off the look, of course. I'm into using blush now, blush and bronzers. Like, it's crazy. It makes my makeup look a little more dolly, if you want to say. Like, I have a little bit more life to my face. And I'm using my finishing powder by Maybelline. Of course, I'm coconut. And I'm going to highlight. I'm using Top It Off from my BH Cosmetics 9 Highlighter Palette. And I couldn't decide what to use for my lips, but I decided to just use black since I have black eyeliner on. I didn't want to use purple. It was too cliche, and I don't like the purple I have anyway. So I said, let me just do black. And it actually looks good with the eyeshadow, I think. And this is the finished look, you guys. If you like this look, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will check you guys in my next video. Peace.